So here at the Roche site in Clarecastle, we manufacture active ingredients for medicines. We've been doing this very successfully for the last 45 years, and unfortunately the site will close next year. To support our people, we started a program called LEAN into our future, which basically accelerates our whole OPEX or LEAN program here on site. The key tenet on this was to, I suppose, exit with pride from a professional perspective, but also to prepare our people for life in other companies once they leave here.
In 2016, we were faced with a leadership challenge to deliver a life-saving drug that was an important revenue-generating drug for Roche as well. We were the only manufacturer of that drug in the world, and we had a closure situation to overcome. One of our key problems was how would we motivate our employees over the next number of years and manufacture this life-saving drug, as well as maintain morale and engagement. So the shift in our focus from 2016 and the last few years was towards our employees, and that shift towards the employees was hugely important because they benefited from that. But what was even more surprising is that during this period of time we improved our production by nearly 20%. We upskilled a huge proportion of our employees with MScs, black belts, master black belts, degrees, master's programs, diplomas, certificates. A real lesson in this program is that by investing in your people, the rewards for the business are huge, and what was better for our people became better for the business.
So I think us working together as a leadership team to support each other to get to the right standard, and then working as a whole site to enable every element to be embedded in the organisation has helped us create this really exciting and vibrant learning environment where we now create everyday solve problems that impact our business really positively, and also have a really good way of working together.
Our lean management system is based off 4 key lean tools: visual management, A3 problem solving, kata coaching and leader standard work. We use visual management every day to surface problems that the business is facing. We use A3 problem solving then to use scientific thinking to solve those issues. The kata coaching is there then to empower the learner through the A3 problem solving process. We routinely coach our people in all our interactions. This ensures that our people are learning and that the business is improving by reflecting on how we are performing every day.
In QC we have a focus on learning. So we got our team together and we did a Kaizen event on our learning system. As part of the Kaizen event, we developed what we call the continuous improvement learning cycle. In this cycle, the analysts rotate on a 6-monthly basis through the different roles and tasks. This is good for us because we have multiple people trained on all the tasks, and the experience and knowledge is spread throughout the team.
So over the last 12 months, a number of our analysts have been working on A3's problem solving in the lab. These A3 problem solvings have been on equipment breaking down to continuous improvement process in the labs to make life easier in the lab and reduce testing and analysis time.
The Lean into Our Future programme gave me the opportunity last August to carry out green belts through Cardiff University. With this, I got the chance to learn new skills, new techniques, learn new ways of thinking, and also be a major cost savings and benefit to Roche Ireland.
So the program here in Clarecastle has resulted in very significant business savings, but more importantly from an employee perspective, engagement has increased dramatically in the last 2 years by over 20 percentage points. And we've also freed up huge amounts of time that have allowed people to train, upskill, and will prepare people for life in other industries.